the coffee, Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay.
Good morning guys, and welcome to the new vlog. So this time it is a weekend vlog. I'm gonna take you guys with me during this weekend and also focus on a project that I'm working on. The project that I'm working on is my bedroom. So if you don't know, I have moved into this apartment on August 1st, and so it's been August, September, and now October, so it's been 3 months. I have a little bit of, you know, the furniture that I need. I have my bed that is already set up, the nightstands and everything. However, I am focusing on decorating it today. So it's gonna be a shopping day. We're gonna go to IKEA, we're gonna go get some fabric, we're gonna go get some flowers. You're coming with me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe before you leave this channel, and I am ready to go. I'm gonna tell you guys all the details once I'm in the car. Now I gotta go out and head home. All right, we made it to the mall. I'm here with my mom. Hi, Mom. So we're gonna go to IKEA. I have a folder on my phone with everything that I need to get. I have like 4 things that I absolutely need to get. Hopefully I find all of them because it's a smaller IKEA. And also I'm gonna check out some furniture maybe for the future closet organization video that I will be making. And yeah, let's go. Alright, so I have 4 things to get here. I'm on a mission. Let's go. Alright, so I think I'm gonna get this one. It comes with 2 pillow covers and 1 duvet cover. It's this super thin one. I don't mind because my duvet is very warm, so I don't mind if the duvet cover is very thin. Okay, number 1 is done. Number 2 is whatever we find. Alright, so I've decided to have this color instead of have it on the plaid. I will have, oh my god, that's the carpet I'm looking for. Cool. So I'm gonna have these on top of the bed, and then for the plaid I'm gonna go maybe for like this kind of color. Okay, it doesn't pick up the real blue on camera, but it's pretty dark, and just have it on top of, at the end of the bed. I think it's a good idea, but I'm gonna pick up the carpet that I want. Everything in one place, guys. So this is an even better version of the carpet, but it's way more expensive than this thinner option, and it still looks really good. Also, I think I was looking for one of these, but they look really fucking small. Alright, so I found the pillow section, and I think this is the cover I'm looking for. It kind of looks a little bit darker back there, but I think this is it. I'm gonna get 2 of them. And then I found the plaid section as well, but I really love this one, but I wish they had it in dark blue, and actually they don't. They do have this one in dark blue, but my mom said it's too small. Okay, dilemma number 1. I kind of want to get this for both of the nightstands and have dried plants in them, but dried flowers, but I'm not so sure. They look kind of too big. Dilemma number 2. I've been wanting to get these, but in the bigger IKEA they were sold out for like 2 months. I want to get them in gray. The same ones are in white, and I kind of want to get them in white so that they match the blue ones that I already have. But the gray ones also look good, so I don't know what to do. Also for my closet, I was thinking to get one of these things just so I can have both seasons in my closet. I have really thick clothes for winter and thick pajamas, so I was thinking to get like one of the dressers, but this is too big for my room, and I thought I could get like one that could fit inside the closet so that it's like a complete, like I have my clothes hung up in here, like all my sweaters and whatever, and coats, and then have everything that I can't fit in the drawers, like extra drawers. And because of lockdown, like I'm not going to be able to buy from the bigger IKEA, or I have to order online, and to order online you have like $200 plus for delivery and whatever it is. And I think if I'm gonna pay $200 plus, then might as well just get this one. In OOTD, I changed this sweater that I forgot at my parents' place and then the leggings and the sneakers. So I forgot that this IKEA at the mall doesn't have a cart, but I got a big ass bag that is super heavy for me because I ended up getting, oh you can't see it, but I ended up getting all of the plates that I wanted and it's extremely heavy. Okay, so now we're done with IKEA and we're gonna go home because we're really tired and my back hurts from all of that weight. So we're gonna go home, have lunch, relax a little bit, and then there's one thing that I still need for my bed, which is the throw blanket, and I couldn't find the throw blanket exactly the color that I want, so I'm gonna go fabric shopping and see if I can find the exact fabric that I want in the exact color, and then I'm just gonna customize it myself, give it to someone and customize it for me. So I kind of just switched the decor, and I'm not gonna say too much about it because I'm gonna make like the whole decorate with me type of video for my bedroom, and you're gonna have to see like all the steps. I'm also spending the night at my parents this weekend just because my sister is still in town, so I'm gonna spend some time with her, and yeah, see you at lunch. In my parents' living room, and you guys, how beautiful is this bouquet? It's absolutely gorgeous. There's two in there because I decided to have like two in each of the nightstands, and I got like dried flowers so that I can have them for at least a year or two. And I got this fabric for, this is so soft, oh my god, I got this fabric for the plaid, but I realized that I have, you know, great color coordination. However, I have these for the bed, so I decided to swipe these to dark blue or like a bluish gray tomorrow. So I'm gonna go back to IKEA and change them so that I can have, you know, next to the wall on the nightstand this touch of yellow, then grayish blue, then yellow again. Whew, this day has been so busy, like going left and right for everything. So I got the pillows done. So the guy that I worked with for my home decor collection, which by the way you can shop in the link down below if you want to shop for any home decor. They can be shipped anywhere in the world. It was just overpriced to buy them from IKEA, which is so true, and they were very low quality, so I didn't buy them from IKEA. And honestly, great quality. They will go into these guys that I will swap tomorrow into a grayish blue. It's all coming together in one day. I feel like I'm gonna have a headache in a second, or I have a headache, but we're not gonna make it worse. I'm gonna take my meds and put on my PJs and just snuggle in bed and Netflix because I feel like I need to chill now. It's Saturday, it's the weekend. We need to chill. Oh, come here, give me a kiss. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, and I'm in my old room at my parents' house. As I told you guys yesterday, I spent the night here because this is technically my brother's room that everybody likes to remind me of in a family. And I made my regular bedroom my closet. If you follow me for a long time now, you kind of know that. So I'm just getting ready to go to the mall again because I'm going to exchange these from IKEA, and I'm going blue one. I'm getting blue ones, like bluish gray. But anyway, I'm going to go to IKEA, then have lunch with the fam, and just I will vlog when I get to my place later. Good morning, guys. It is Monday, and why am I so excited? I'm having my coffee right now. It's Monday morning, you guys. I have new furniture. So I just got this table delivered. I love her. She's gorgeous. So I got this table from a website called dansmamaison.ma, which I'm gonna link down below if you want to see it. Excuse the mess that I look like right now. It's literally Monday morning, 10 a.m. not even 10 a.m. So I found this website on Instagram, like an Instagram ad, and I was looking for a table because you guys know I'm still working from home. Therefore, I was always working from that table, and it's just so freaking uncomfortable. My back hurts every day, and I've been doing this for like 3 months. I was debating for 3 months whether I should get a desk or I should get a dinner table and use it as my desk, and then when I have people over, which is probably 2021, I can have, you know, I can just remove my computer and monitor and stuff and just have it as a dinner table. So that's what I did because I'm a grown-up now. I have my place, and I was just thinking, you know what, I don't want to make this apartment like not welcoming when people come over and they have like a desk here. It's just kind of a little bit weird. Not that I want to make my apartment, you know, focused on other people, but still I just wanted to feel like it was my grown-up apartment. I didn't want to feel like it was my bedroom all over the place. It's big enough for me to be able to set up my desk here. If I wasn't gonna be working, I would have had it this way because I feel like it's kind of better and it's just not too close to the door. So yeah, I'm gonna set it up right now. Alright guys, it is much later in the day. I showered, cleaned up, did my hair a little bit. I feel much better than this morning. Anyway, so I set up the office, quote unquote, to work, and I absolutely love working here. And I forgot to tell you guys about everything that I got from IKEA. So I'm gonna sit down and do a little bit of a haul for you guys so you can see what I got. Alright, so I hope I'm in the shot because I can't see myself from here. So this is everything that I got from IKEA. As you guys saw, I got these pillow covers for my throw pillows on my bed. I got them in this bluish gray. I will be linking them down below if you want to get it. There's lots of colors for this. There's a beautiful burgundy, there's soft pink, there's the yellow that I got before I exchanged it into this blue gray. So I will link them down below. And there will be covers for these two throw pillows that I'm gonna have on my bed. Then I got this white fake fur type of carpet. I absolutely love it. It's so cute and so soft is what I wanted to say. Then I got this duvet cover for my bed. So this one comes with 2 pillow covers. I already have 2 covers, 2 pillows that have white covers, and I have 2 others that don't have white covers. So this will be perfect. I have lots of pillows. I know I cannot sleep with 1 pillow or 2. I have to sleep with 3 is my minimum. And then I got these 2 little ones. Remember I told you guys I had a dilemma in the store. I didn't know if I wanted to get these or the smaller ones, so I got these, and I got the flowers for them that I'm gonna show you. They are super cute. And then I don't think I can lift it. Ooh, yes. So I got this service. This is a really good deal. It's an 18-piece service. Small plates, medium plates, bowl plates, and bigger plates, and it's all $250, and I think it's a great deal. And they have it in gray. They also have it, this is white, this is a little bit of a grayish white, and they have it in gray. They also have it in like this bright green, which is weird. And I saw in the bigger IKEA that they have it in blush pink as well. Oh my god, it almost fell. And then I got this beautiful bouquet of flowers. These are dried flowers, therefore I can have them all year round and I don't have to have water in the vases for them. Inside there's 2 of them. There's 2 identical bouquets because I'm gonna put them like inside here, and it's gonna be gorgeous, and it's gonna be against the wall in my bedroom. Whoa. It's gonna be against the wall in my bedroom. This touch of yellow is gonna be amazing. Also, we'll tie it up with the throw blanket on the bed that is also yellow. So yeah, this is everything that I got from IKEA. Now I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for today and have it up so I can edit it and have it up for you guys on Wednesday. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you are new here, or if you watch my videos and you're not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. I make sure that I have a video every single week, and mostly on Wednesdays, because I feel like that's the perfect day of the week, hump day, for me to have a video on there. If you have anything to say to me, just feel free to comment in the comment section. I will see you next time.